In this video, I am going to explain question set 5. The Board of Directors of New Vision Academy has decided to computerize the information of all the teachers in the educational institution. The software has been developed by Taraka Software Solution. Assume that you are working as a senior software engineer in this company and you and your team are responsible for creating the database of this software. Create the database according to the instruction given to you as follows. So there is academy called New Vision Academy, and the board of directors has decided to create a software and store all the teachers' information. So this software is going to be developed by Taraka Software Solution. I have to assume that I am working as a software engineer in this company, and me and my team task is to create the database for this software. So the first task is to create the database called New Vision Academy to store teachers' data. The second task is to create the table called teacher. And the third task is enter the data shown in the table below. In the database table, you have to set up above. Do not use the graphical method when entering the data here. All must be entered from the query statement. So we have to write the insert query to add all these records. So I'm going to use MySQL Workbench to complete this task. Right click here, go to create schema and give the database name. Click apply and the MySQL Workbench will create a database for us. The created database will be displayed here. Double click on this database and right click on tables, and a new tab will be open. In here we have to give the necessary information about the table. So the table name is teacher. First column is teacher. Registration number Vacha 10. This is the primary key of this table. Second, first name. In the next column is last name. Both are Vacha max length 10. Then gender Vacha max length 10. In here, first name and last name both Vacha max length 45. Here gender Vacha max length 10. Contact number Vacha 10. Email Vacha 50. To create this table, click apply and apply again. We created the table. To see the created table, double click on tables and here we have the database we created is here. To see the information about this teacher table, click on this icon, this last icon, and it will show the details about this table. The next question is enter the data shown in the table below in the database table you have to set up above. Do not use a graphical method when entering data here. All data must be entered from the query statement. Now we have to enter all these 10 data using SQL insert query. So to write an insert query, we have to write insert into this column called gravy ascent. We can call it backtick as well, but I'm going to call it gravy ascent. In here we have to write the table name. Insert into teacher table and open bracket, close bracket. Inside here we have to give the column names. So we have to give it in the right order. The first column is teacher registration number, first name, last name, gender, contact number. The last column is email. These columns also have to be inside this gravy ascent, and after that space values. Now we have to give the necessary values. We have to give this also in order. So the first record is uh, teacher registration number TEC underscore 001, first name Kamara Mallava, male, 07 110 75 1211. That's the contact number. Email is kamara@gmail.com and give here semicolon. Now to execute this query, click here or keep the cursor here and click on this icon. Sorry, there's a spelling mistake, not teacher, TECHR. Now click on this column. Make sure you double check these columns, otherwise you will get this error. Now click on this icon to execute this query. As you can see, the query is executed. See in here, the query is executed correctly. So we'll do the next, enter the next record as well. The next record is TEC underscore 005. First name is Champika Pereira, female. I'm going to just copy this phone number and the email as well. Copy and paste. And instead of clicking this icon, we can just click command and enter in Mac. In Windows, I think it's control and enter. It will execute the command for us. See, the command is executed. The record is added to the table. So the next record is TEC 006 Menaka Patirana, female. I'm going to copy this number and paste here. Menaka.93@gmail.com. The next record is TEC 007 Kamal, first name Kamal, second name Guna Singha, male, kamal.gunasingha@gmail.com. Email is kamala.gunasingha@gmail.com. The next record is TEC 10 Jude, first name Silva, male, email is silva.jude@gmail.com. The next record is TEC underscore 011. First name Harshani Disanayaka, female, email is harshi93@gmail.com. harshi93@gmail.com. Next record is TEC underscore 012 Sachitra Vikrama Singha. Vikrama Singha. Female. And this is her email. The next record is TEC underscore 020. First name Lahiruini. Karunaratna. Female. Phone number. Email is Lahiruini at yahoo.com. Lahiruini at yahoo.com. The next record is 035. Kalana, first name Ratnayaka. Male. Email is kalana.ratnayaka at outlook.com. The last record is TEC underscore 045. First name Tillina Rajapaksha, male. Email is Tillina.Rajapaksha at gmail.com. So we have added all the records. So in here all the records are added, all the 10 records are added. This is all for question set 5. Thank you.